Hey guys, it's your girl Emily and I'm back with another hair review. Today I'm reviewing beautiful princess hair, and it came in this cute little bag. And it's pink and it has a little crown on it and everything, and the hair is 24 inches, it's straight and it's really pretty. And yeah, it has 220 density, so this hair is really nice and long and pretty. And I'm about to put it on for y'all. It's day. Look at that body, you know what I'm saying? This is what we're talking about. This is how you do it. So I'm about to do something with it. I'm about to put on my head, and I'm gonna do my makeup too and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm about to slide a wig. I'm gonna do a middle part. I should do a side part. I don't know. I'm gonna do a middle part because that's easy. But yeah, I already got a line. Like what? But let's get started. So first, I'm gonna put on the cap that they sent me and leave my eyelashes over there. Don't need none of that. So
real hair, lace front. You getting glammed up, girl? Okay, then we'll let you do your thing. Okay, then. You know what I'm saying? Oh.
So now I'm about to cut the lace.
My phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Girl, you're making it so hard. Girl, you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. I tried to
So y'all, I'm about to spray some of this. Got to be spray on it to make the frizzies go away, to lay it down. So I'm about to spray it. Yeah, so put it down. I'm gonna do this side too. Just a little bit. Nobody know. I miss with him in the love. He never show it together, but I text him when I'm ready to go. I had a couple of shots at the bar. I'm finna play with that in the car. Nobody know. I miss with him on the low. We never shut together, but I text him when I'm ready to go. Well, the shots at the bar. I'm finna play with that car. Okay, so now I'm gonna do like keep putting it down, cause you know, baby, this is the middle part, okay? La la la. So I'm about to what's the next thing? Okay. So now I'm about to get a toothbrush, cause I'm about to lay the baby hairs down. And I'm just doing this. Like, on this side too.
pouring rain. And no matter what we go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby. You and me in the sun. Know that I still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you.
This hair is really soft. That's why I keep touching it. It's so soft, like. So now I'm about to put like some foundation down the part and stuff, and I'm gonna do my makeup because it gotta look like a bad, okay? And that's on period. Can't be looking like no dusty old girl. Never. I did a good job. So now I'm about to do the line, and I'm gonna go and straighten the hair and stuff like that. It really don't need to be straightened. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm probably not gonna straighten it because it looks so good. Like, dang. I'm not gonna straighten it because it looks good. It don't need to be straightened. Yeah, baby. It's Nicky, and all this money, and you love me. So I'm dapping some of my NARS foundation, and I love this foundation. It's so good, like, period. So now I'm finna
I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love with you. Why can't you see it in my eyes? Why can't you see it in my eyes? Yeah, you know it's true. I'm so in love with you. I could be stuck with you. I could roll tough with you. I promise I will put nothing above you. Why can't you see it in my eyes?
Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to put some more foundation.
Come here.
Be quiet, Steph. Emily doing that video when she's done.
Bring her video.
No, because then you gotta do your rap.
So that's what I did. I did what I did. This hair bad. Ooh. Okay, so now I'm about to do my makeup.
Don't sit up on this couch right. Can't you? Sit up on the couch right.
That's Steph.
I'm gonna be mad because you're wearing this slide.
So I'm about to do my makeup and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I'm done. I look like I'm lower child. So your girl look at cute. And this hair is so pretty. And I didn't straighten it. So make sure y'all go get this hair. It's so beautiful. Bye.